Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa is going to make fish head fuzhuk stew. Alright? Hong sao yu tou with fuzhuk. Now, this is actually more than, this is half of fish, siakap fish head plus one piece of fish cutlet. Alright? So that it has more meat for my family. First of all, we are going to deep fry the fish, and then we will make it into a stew together with the fuzhuk. Now, of course, this fuzhuk here, when we got it, is actually dry. Then I have to actually soak it under water, rehydrate it for about 1-2 hours before use. And then I have a few pieces of ginger and also some garlic. So let's go and fry the fish first. Let's quickly prep the fish. I'm going to give it a little bit of fine salt here. And a little bit of cornstarch. Right, then we leave this aside and then we leave this aside. Right, so prepare some oil and heat it up until smoking point, then we can put in the fish. Right, we will fry the fish until it is charred like this. This is, I think I did about 6-7 minute frying. Now then we get a wok, give it a little bit of oil and heat it up. Once it is heated up, we can put in the garlic and also ginger. Saute it a bit. We'll come back shortly. Once you start seeing the garlic started to brown, we can actually put in the fish. And also the rehydrated fuzhuk. And some hot water. Let's give it more hot water so that everything is nicely submerged under the broth, yeah? And we want to leave some room for the broth to evaporate. Now we can actually give it some seasoning. I'm going to start by giving a bit of light soy sauce, followed by a bit of the premium Vietnamese fish sauce. For the color, I'll give it a little bit of dark soy sauce, a bit of oyster sauce. This is optional, Shaoxing wine, some fine salt, some of my Cooking Appa chicken salt powder, where you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore or any ambient Vietnamese restaurant throughout the whole Malaysia. A little bit of fine sugar. Now that it is boiling, let's put on the lid and tune down to medium or medium low to cook it for minimum about 20 minutes. The fuzhuk need about 20 minutes. Right, so this is coming to about 20 minutes here. It's almost done. You can just use some salt and sugar to adjust to taste if you like. For me, it is good enough. Before serving, I'm going to give it a few dashes of white pepper and garnish it with some spring onion. That's it, done. That's how simple it is to make fish head stew with fuzhuk. If you like my video, do share my video on the Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.